Hello everyone, I'm Amy. Today I will introduce to you when it's recommended for customers to choose double color mold and when it's recommended for customers to choose overmold. First, it depends on the surface life of the product. If the surface life of the product is within 100,000 shows after the mold is opened, it's relatively suitable for overmold.
So don't you let the sunlight get out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight.
If your product is mass-produced and its cycle time needs to 7 to 8 years with 100,000 and 200,000 shows per year, the double color mold is definitely suitable. If you have relevant needs, please feel free to contact us.